something that you can't recreate, but they really put their soul and their energy and their chakras out there for everyone to feel. And it's a beautiful thing that is unlike almost any other experiences that I've done.
I'm so grateful for this experience. It was transformative. I feel like I'm standing differently. I've had a blocking in my throat for 3 months. I keep clearing my throat over and over again, and I finally feel like it's gone, which is really amazingly powerful.
Inspiring was the best way to put it. As much as it was powerful to be a part of what they created, it was just so much like an internal experience of what can I do more? How can I express more? How can I create more in the world and share it? And so to make that the gift that I carry forward is so precious to me, and I'm so grateful that they were able to share it with not just me, but everyone in this room took something and is going to make a whole life moving forward out of it. And so you definitely owe it to yourself to experience this, feel it for yourself, and I'm definitely going to be back for myself, definitely. So thank you guys so much.